Hey, what is up guys, it is Card Shuffler 99 here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys a really powerful no setup card trick. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this one, so be sure to stick around. This is going to be one of my favorite card tricks, and in fact it is, like I said, impromptu. It is no setup, so I think you guys are really going to like it. Now, we did announce a monthly giveaway. We do monthly giveaways on the channel, like I said. But we are going to be starting that up in a couple days. But what I want to do is I want to try something a little bit different. We are going to start a small giveaway. Now, what are we giving away? We're giving away for one person, okay? This giveaway is going to last for 2 days after this video is posted. You'll have 2 days to enter into this contest, okay? We're giving away either a $50 Amazon gift card or a brick of Monarch playing cards. So that's 12 decks of Monarch playing cards. One winner. You get to pick between the gift card or the brick of playing cards. All you have to do to enter into this giveaway, what we're going to do is we're going to do a little sort of collaboration with one of our friends. He has a channel. The channel is Dope Tricks 16. I'm going to put a link to his video down in the description. All you guys have to do to enter into the giveaway, and like I said, it's only 2 days long, so you guys are going to have a much better chance at winning this giveaway. And what we want to see is how well our active subscribers, our good subscribers, are able to go help out one of our friends. And basically, we will enter you guys to win either a $50 Amazon gift card or a brick of Monarch playing cards. All you have to do is go click the link down in the description. It'll be the first link in the description. He only has one video on the channel. Go to his video, like the video, subscribe to his channel, and then comment something nice down in the comment section. He does some really cool tricks on his channel. All you guys have to do, like I said, he is a friend. Just go onto there. Comment something. You can use hashtag CardShuffler99 as well, but comment something nice in the comment section. Leave a like on his video, and make sure you guys leave a subscription on his channel. Once again, first link in the description. 2 days to enter, guys, so you guys have a really good chance. I really recommend you guys try this, and then we will announce the monthly giveaway in about a couple days. But I want to see how many views can we get on his video, how many comments, nice comments can we get on his video? How many likes can we get his video to? Right now, he started his channel just a couple days ago, so we're trying to help him out. And we are going to be doing this sort of thing with a lot of your channels as well. So be sure to go check him out. Once again, enter that. You have 2 days to enter into that giveaway. Once again, $50 on Amazon or a brick of playing cards. Comment, leave a like on his video, and make sure you subscribe to his channel. First link in the description. He only has one video, and we will pick a winner in 2 days. Anyway, guys, that is it. That was a long intro. I'm sorry about that, but like I said, let's get into this no setup card trick. So I'm not going to perform this for you guys today because it is a long trick, but I am going to teach it to you guys step by step so you guys will understand how to do it. So first thing you can do, shuffle the deck of cards, okay? Deck can be completely shuffled. That's not the problem here. Now, there's a couple ways you can go about doing this trick. I'm going to teach you guys both ways to do it. So what you're going to do is you start out with the shuffle pack, and then you're going to have a spectator just select a card. So you have them select a card. In this case, let's go with the Queen of Diamonds, okay? Queen of Diamonds. What you're going to do is you're going to need to get this card controlled to the top of the deck any way you want, or to the bottom of the deck. Now, I'm going to teach you guys how to get it to the top and then back to the bottom. One way, you could put it somewhere halfway in the middle of the deck. When you push it in, put pressure down on the card. As you push it in, you're going to leave a break. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this top packet right above their selection. So their selection's right here. You take this top packet, and you're going to cut this top packet into as many packets as you want. You can do 1, 2, 3, and then this very last packet, you just set the whole thing down, and that brings their card to the top. So once again, you say, hey, we're going to take your card. We're going to push it somewhere into the middle of the deck. Once again, you're holding that break there. And then you say, and we'll give the deck some cuts. You can give it a shuffle. And just like that, you controlled their card to the very top of the deck, right? So that's what you're going to want to do. Now from there, you can shuffle the card to the bottom. Now you eventually, like I said, you will have to get the card to the bottom of the deck, but you can get it to the top first, and then the easiest way I say get it to the bottom is overhand shuffle it, meaning you're going to peel off one card, their card, all the way to the bottom, and then you can shuffle overhand basically the rest of the cards just like so. That brings it to the bottom, and what you're going to need to do is basically peek at the cards. So like I said, there's a couple ways you can do this. If you had a marked deck, you can bring their card to the top and basically see the marking. You just need to know what their card is. So if you had a marked deck, that would work. Even there's some subtle ways you can do this. One example being, and I really do like this example actually, if you have your cell phone on the table, a lot of times what people do is they'll take the card, like let's say this was, okay, so the selection's right here on the bottom, right? Let's say they select the card. what you do is you take the card, you say, okay, I'm not going to look at it, put it on the bottom, and you say, okay, is this your card? So basically, you're not looking at it, you're showing it to them. But what happens is, if the phone is on the table, you're actually able to see the reflection of this card. If you point it down at the phone, you'll be able to see the reflection of the card and know what their card is, and it's very subtle because all you're doing is looking at your blank phone screen. The phone is turned off, they're not suspicious, but you're actually able to look at the card. That's another way you could peek. The way that I was basically going to demonstrate is the fact that you could do this 180 sort of turn, and what happens is as you turn, you're going to lift up, peek at the card, and then turn it. So you got to be pretty natural with this, okay? I'm going to show you guys what it would look like from this perspective. So let's say you're right here, you're basically peeking at it and just going like that. So this is essentially what you're doing. You're peeking at the card, but all you're doing is just pretending like you're turning the deck and rotating it and just fidgeting with the deck, right? In reality, you're peeking at that bottom card. Now, like I said, this bottom card has to come back to the top. Easiest way, like I said, you can overhand shuffle basically all the cards back to the top. Obviously, do a better job than that. Make sure you sell it, and then bring this card back to the top. Shuffle it as many times as you want. That's going to sell the trick. It's going to make it better. That way, they're 100% convinced that you don't know their card and that their card is somewhere lost in the deck. So that's what you're going to want to do. Now that's at the top, what you're going to do is you're going to cut the deck holding a break. So you're going to get a pinky break just like so. And this is right on their card. What you're going to do is you're going to ask the spectator to imagine pulling their card out of the deck. Now, what this trick is going to be, essentially, is once you know what their card is, you're going to then make their card disappear from the deck, reappear in the deck, and not only does it reappear anywhere in the deck, it'll be in that specific, like if you spell out their card, that's what's going to happen. So you'll see what I mean. So right now at this point, they think their card is lost in the deck, right? They think the whole thing is shuffled. Their card is right here. It's the Queen of Diamonds. What you're going to do is you're going to spread out the cards just like this, and you're going to say, we're going to look at half the cards at a time, okay? And once again, like I said, this is after they're going to pretend to hold their card. So their card theoretically shouldn't be in the deck, right? Because they're holding it. They're not actually holding it, but that's how the trick goes along. Now, once you get to the end of the pile, this is their card. You're going to want to get a pinky break under this card. So as you spread these cards out, you come to the last card. This is their card. Grab a pinky break on it, and what you do is you're going to take this whole top packet, flip it face up on top of their card. So now you're still going to be maintaining this break, except what you have above the break is all these face-up cards and then their selection. Now this is all above the break. Now the card is the Queen of Diamonds, so what you're going to do is you're going to go slowly. You're going to say, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the cards, and I want you to see if you can find your card. What you're doing here is you're actually going to be spelling out their card, okay? So in this case, it's going to be Q-U-E-E-N-O-F, right? So that's essentially what you're doing here. Now, if you don't want to do OF because you don't, like in this case, Queen Diamonds is a pretty long sort of name, you can just do Queen Diamonds, right? So you go Q-U-E-E-N-D-I-A-M-O-N-D-S. And you're doing this in your head, obviously. You don't want to be doing this out loud. But really, you're just pretending as if you're going through the cards and you're showing them the cards, right? And they're basically to look for their card, okay? Once you're done spelling, what you're going to do is you're going to say, did you see your card there? And obviously you're not done yet. They're going to say no. You're going to bring this whole packet. So this spells Queen Diamonds right here, right? What you're going to do is you're going to bring this left hand with all the rest of the cards on top of it. Continue spreading out whatever you have left. Now remember, this last card, I still have a break on this card. This last card is their selection. What you're going to do is after you show them all these cards, they're going to say they didn't see it. You're in this position right here. All you have to do is now spread this whole thing together and set it down, and just like that, they will not see their card. Now you can go through all these cards and they're still not going to see their card. Their card is not anywhere in here, right? Because now their card is face down. Place all these on top. They're going to say, oh, my card's not on the deck anymore. And I'm going to be like, oh, well, guess what? It's because you're holding onto your card. Throw it back into the deck. Just, pretend, make them do like a little hand motion. Now all you have to do for the final move, you're going to say, well, guess what? It's back in the deck. What was your card? Now remember, you're not supposed to know their card. So what you can do is you can actually hand them the deck and tell them, okay, you're going to spell your card out. Don't do the of, or if you did of, you could do that. In this case, I did Queen Diamonds, right? So you're going to say, you're going to spell out your card, counting down the cards. Now you give them a demonstration. Be like, let's say you had 2 of hearts. You go T-W-O-H-E-A-R-T-S, right? That's what you would say to them. So they're going to go Q-U-E-E-N-D-I-A-M-O-N-D-S. And just like that, the Queen of Diamonds appears in the exact position that it should be in. Just like that, you make their card disappear, reappear, and not only anywhere, it reappears right where it should be. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that trick. Once again, don't forget to enter the giveaway. Go to that link down in the description. He only has one video on his channel. Go to the video, like, comment, subscribe. You can use hashtag CardShuffler99, and you guys will be entered to win a $50 gift card or a brick of Monarch playing cards. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and this is CardShuffler99. Peace out.